the recent council meeting, the City Council approved more than $280,000 for 27 shade structures to be installed at Labonte, Lindale, Billish, and Parker Parks. The shade structures are part of a park improvement project and is anticipated to be completed in October 2022. City Council approved more than $1 million for a construction contract for the Packery Channel waterline project. Funding is provided by the Water Capital Fund. Council also approved an ordinance abandoning one Bond 2012 project and one Bond 2016 project, and repurposing excess Bond 2008, 2012, and 2016 funds for use on the residential street program. And finally, Council approved the first reading of an ordinance accepting and appropriating a $100,000 donation from the Cheniere Foundation to the City in partnership with the Coastal Bend Center for Independent Living. The donation will help start the Housing and Support for Homeless Individuals with Disabilities program. For more information, visit our YouTube channel to watch the entire City Council meeting.